Okay, welcome to the first winter of 25 update to Dr. Joe's Trains. I haven't posted anything for quite a while, over a year. Lots has happened. So this is the back of the layout, kind of the sausage making part of it. And you can see underneath all the stuff I need to maintain it. Now let's get into the layout. So nothing has changed on the basic layout, except I've been adding a lot of scenery. You can see here the cemetery that accompanies the church, and surprisingly enough, it's right outside the door of the gun store. The streets are coming along. I got to add stoplights and street lights and things like that. Nothing new here. Still have work on the street there to do. The downtown area is basically populated with all the buildings that I'm gonna have. Here we are in Front Street, and the shops that are there. Nothing new since last time. I've been working on Front Street, particularly the area there behind the Arby's, and added a few trees here and there to fill in spaces. There goes the streetcar. You can see it flashing. Oh, what else? Gosh. Really, not much else. Just a lot more trees and scenery. Got a new locomotive, Canadian Pacific, with some Canadian Pacific rolling stock, which I'm kind of happy with. This is the Copper Basin Railway loco here, and here comes the Canadian Pacific locomotive. Pretty little unit with some Canadian Pacific rolling stock behind it. I don't know what else to tell you. I have been having some problems with my digital command and control system, and I've got to decide what to do with that. Let me turn off the lights for you, and so you can see how it lights up kind of at night. There we go. Kind of neat, huh? So I'm at about 3 minutes. I just wanted to give you a quick update and continue to document the progress of my Brockville Central Railroad, named after my wife and her family. And there's Brockville Station right there, elevation 7220. And I guess that's about it. Okay, folks, thanks for watching. And yeah, feel free to leave a comment. Sorry about the delay in updating, but by golly, one has to work in order to play. Take care.